In this video, we are going to review how to manage participants to an event. First of all, you need to create an event using the event creation form. Once you're on the event form, go on the participation page. You'll see a grid with specifics informations related to the individual participating to the event. You can add a new participant by clicking the Add Element button. This will add a new line to the grid. You need to select a participant from the list of all the individual of the application. The associated informations mentioned in this individual form appear here. Then, you have other fields you can complete to give more information about invitation, confirmation, participation. You can also add a comment, and delete the line. When there is a lot of attendance to an event, you can import all of them at once, through the Import Participants button. You can either add existing individuals as participants to the event, or create new ones through this import. First step is to download the right template. Be careful of two things. 1. Do not use any other Excel template of the application, or the data imported would not be correct. 2. When you import an Excel file, make sure the language of the template, and the language of the application, match. When you have downloaded the right Excel template, you can see all the fields present on the application grid, seen earlier on this video. Complete all the fields you need, and save the document. To import this document on the solution, click on the Select button on the Participant Import page. Select the right file, and import it. You arrived on a visualization page. This allows you to check all the informations you are going to add to the solution. We recommend taking the time to check, even if there is a lot of data to avoid any problems. You can also complete or rectify some informations at once, if needed. The green field means the individual or the organization already exists in the application. You can of course correct that, if it's not the right element or if the individual or the organization wasn't recognitioned. When everything is correct, click on Import. You'll see an import result with the amount of participants imported on the participation grid. Even after the import, you can still modify the informations. For example, if after the import of the participant one of the menswear, and confirm its presence, you can modify the line associated to this participant. Another way to manage the participants to an event is to go on Event, then Manage Participants. This functionality will allow you to manage participation all at once. The first step is to select the individuals you want to invite. You can use the filter and research functionalities, presented in a previous video, to help you find the people you need to invite. They must already exist in the solution to be managed from here. If you want to manage participants that are already added to an event, you can go on the Attendance tab and select the individuals you need. On both tabs, once you've selected the attendance you want to manage, click on the Add Element button. This will lead you to step 2, where you can apply the same specifics fields values to all the individuals. First, you need to select an event, then you can update the informations. Once you've selected all the criteria you want to add or update, you can click on Update Participations to apply the changes. Once you have clicked on it, you are redirected to the Evenmans attendance page. Two other options are available from Step 2, Copy the email, which allow you to copy all the emails of all the attendants for external use. And Generate email, which automatically open a new email in your email software, with all the emails addresses of all the attendants already written down.